Welcome to the ET322 how-to video for the BJT Transistor Driver Lab. We're going to build it in Multisim. Here we are in Multisim. Let's go ahead and build our first circuit, part 1, BJT NPN LED drivers. So we're going to need some resistors. Let's go to basic resistors. So we're going to need a 220 and 15K. Okay, so we're going to need a source, power source. Let's go VCC, and it's going to be 5 volts. Good. And we're going to need an LED. Whoops, we need some grounds too. Got a couple of them. And let's go to transistors, and we're going to do a basic NPN. And we're going to get a 3904. And let's get an LED. So let's go to diodes, LED. Let's get a green one for no reason. Good. Let's go ahead and put it together. Let's zoom in. Actually, let's zoom area. And let's start building. So we're going to, 15K is going to be fine. Let's move our transistor down here. We're going to rotate our 220. And we're going to need to move everything down because we need to slide in our LED. And let's move our ground over. And our 15K, let's get rid of this ground and let's attach everything. Just give us a space where you could actually tie in. There we go. And that looks good. Okay, let's modify this circuit for number 2. So let's save it as transistor driver. We'll call it A. And let's view sheet, and let's center this guy so we get, and let's view area. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to let's go ahead and add a TTL source. Signal source, clock voltage. We'll go ahead and stay with our 15K. And plus 5, yes. And we're going to do 10 hertz. Okay. Good. Okay, let's open up the first circuit we built, and we're going to say this one as C. We could go ahead and modify the last one we did. It doesn't matter. And we're going to copy and paste this guy, and I'm going to use them over here. And we're going to make him a 470. Since we don't have a light sensor in Multisim, we're going to go ahead and just use a potentiometer. And let's go ahead and use, actually, let's use a variable resistor. Yeah, 1K, and we'll work with that and see what happens. We're going to substitute this variable resistor and see if we can get this guy to work. Okay, let's modify this circuit. I saved it as transistor D so we don't lose it. And let's turn it off, and let's borrow a transistor, and we're going to turn this into basically a double Darlington here. We're going to turn it, and we're going to use our first transistor to drive our second transistor so we can make it a dark sensor. This one needs to go to 1K. And we're going to use our output let's go ahead and cut out our diode here because we're going to move him to the second one. I'm going to place the resistor to match our diagram. Even though it's a series circuit, doesn't matter where he goes. Try again. We'll just leave that like it is. Let's move the 5 volts up. And it looks like 1K, everything here is the same. Good.